how to convert a JPEG file to a PNG file. Now first open up your web browser and you want this website here, jpeg2png.com. You want to select upload file here, or you can drag and drop it, it's entirely up to you. We'll select this file here, Unsplash, select open, it'll quickly upload it to the website. As you can see here, you can upload multiple files at once if you drag them all into this section here. It's just converting your JPEG to a PNG file for you. Once it's complete, it'll have this big download button here. Just press download. Automatically download once you press that here, as you can see in the top right hand corner. We can open up the folder. It normally goes to your downloads. Right click it. Let's select properties. And as you can see, now a PNG file. So that's how to easily convert a JPEG to a PNG file. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.